ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम सीखते हैं कि कैसे ग्रुप डाटा का मीन कैलकुलेट करना है। ओके, सबसे पहले आपको जो भी आपको डाटा टेबल दिया है उसको वर्टिकल टेबुलर फॉर्म में बनाइए। ओके, लेट मार्क्स, ओके, this is marks is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. These are marks. Okay, students, after this leave the column and write frequency. Okay, and now write the value of frequencies of the respective classes: 10, 9, 25, 30, 16 and 10. ओके, नाउ ये जो कॉलम आपने छुड़वाया है मैंने, उसको समझिए। अब जो आपको मार्क्स देगा, क्लास इंटरवल देगा, उसकी वैल्यू आपको x लिखनी है। एज प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हमने सीखा है x। अब ये x क्या होता है? तो x होता है सम ऑफ द टू। ओके, सो इट इज 0 प्लस 10 बाय 2, ये रिजल्ट आपको मिल जाएगा 5। इट इज क्लियर? सिमिलरली 10 प्लस 20 बाय 2 इज 15। ओके, नाउ दिस इज 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. It is clear? Okay, next as we learn that the value of mean by using direct method, we need to calculate fx. Okay, fx is f into x. Okay, now we need to multiply this x into this 10, we get 50. 15 into 9, 135, 25 into 25, 625, 35 into this, 1050, 45 into 16. Calculate it, and the last value is 550. This will you get 720. Now from this you need to calculate summation of n, which means frequency, and here summation of fx. Calculate it. So this value is 100, and how much is this? Just calculate quickly.
Yes, sir. इसमें 550 और 50 तो बनेगा। ठीक है, 650 80 भाई नहीं कर सकता, चल होगा।
Now the sum is 3130. Therefore, by direct method, okay, direct method formula for mean is summation fx upon summation f. This we have 3130 upon 100. That is mean is equal to 35.3. This is the mean of given data. But student, as you assume here, there are very big calculation to find the results. That is 5 into 10 is easy, this also easy, but when we reached the calculation downward, we observe these are much higher calculation. So we are using in place of direct method some indirect methods. Okay, complete it. Okay, in indirect method you have to first think the assumed mean. As I am telling you that if the number of class is odd, then it is n by 2, but if it is n plus 1 by 2, but if it is even, then n by 2. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 classes are there, then you need to divide 6 by 2, you will get the result is 3, and mark the third class as the assumed class. 1 2 3. So this is your assumed mean. Okay, mark it as assumed mean, and now calculate here d x minus a, and then calculate fd. Okay, yes, see, calculate x minus a. 25 minus 5 is minus 20. 15 minus 25 is minus 10. This value becomes 0. This is 10. This value is 20, and this value is 30. Okay, now you need to calculate f into d. This is minus 200,
minus 90,
minus 90, 0, 300,
320,
320, 320 and 300. Okay, now calculate here negative 290 and calculate this
630.
630. 1 minute.
आंसर आएगा वो 630 तो
This will
920.
920. Okay, when you solve this, you will get the result is summation fd is equal to 630. Okay, now assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Okay, by this method value is mean is a plus summation fd upon summation f. Okay, now put the values. A is we taken as 25 plus summation fd is 630 and upon 100. This we get 25 plus 6.3, that is hence you will get this result is equal to 31.3, which means the mean of the data by using this method is 31.3, which we calculate in the. Okay, so as you find, it is the easier method to calculate the mean in place of direct method, because here the calculations are very easy. Now we will understood about the next method. Okay, just note down it. Next we understood about the step deviation method, which is the very easier method or very low calculation method. Okay, for this in step deviation method, we have the formula for mean is x bar is equal to a plus h summation fu upon summation f. Okay, now for this a we calculate here is 25 as the previous method, and h is size of class. Here size of class is 10, and now we need to calculate u. For calculation of u we have method is x minus a upon h. Okay, now use this method here. U is equal to x minus a upon h. Okay, now calculate. As you calculate 25, देखिए 5 minus 25 by 10. This you will get minus 2. Similarly, this you will get minus 1. Next is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Clear? Now calculate value of fu. fu. Now you will observe that it is too easy calculation. That is, first is minus 20, minus 9, 0, 30, 32 and again 30. This will give you the result summation fu is equal to 92 minus this is 63. Okay, now by using all these value in the mean formula, this 25 plus 10 into 63 upon 100. This 100 cancel this and this point. So we will get 25 plus 6.3 is equal to 31.3. This is how you calculate the mean by using the step deviation method. It is two simplest or easiest method, but formula you need to remind. Okay, thank you.